What's up, Natty? How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good.
Let's see if I got this right. The Google Hangout was like all different now.
Oh, it changed?
Yeah, they changed it like they put so many different updates on it and everything.
Aren't they always doing that?
Yeah, it's too much. It's just leave it alone. It's how many different ways can you talk to somebody?
Yeah.
So what's been going on with you?
It's the same old, just trying to learn some
I'm
Forex.
in my nephew's room, so
Are you staying with your aunt or uncle?
I'm staying with my brother.
Oh, I mean, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, my room is the other, but it's just like it's like one big bed.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not like practical to like work in there. So what's been going on? What's been going on with you?
Nothing.
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 Nothing at all. Why? What you've been doing any binaries?
No, I was losing a lot. And it's
Oh,
hard to
for binary.
it's hard to find people that teach binary. Like Forex is
You
much
were
more.
hanging out with Aileen, right?
Yeah, but ever since you guys, um, you and Modest split up, like she
Yeah.
hasn't really hit me up that much, so I don't know, or at all.
Uh,
So I have no idea.
yeah, I think they used to talk or something. Yeah, I mean, I knew that they talked. I didn't know her. Gladys knew her more than I knew
Mhm.
Aileen. We just never talked. There was just so many people that we were talking. Like it's just oh man,
I think like
it was
a smaller, tight knit group. I would like
it's
that
so much.
better.
Yeah, it's so much quite like coming back to a different place and time. Like it's like man,
Yeah.
going back to a different like yeah. Dallas was a very big thing that happened. It's so different from being from Dallas. Like all the stuff going on. Definitely for sure. Hold on, Jason went to Utah, Salt Lake City.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you live at the airport.
I haven't been keeping up with anybody from IML or any group for that matter.
Well, Justin Adams caught like there's just been a lot of stuff going on. Justin Adams caught like 9,000 pips,
Wow. Mm.
but it was like GJ is just so like we were just doing high lot sizes, and I got like I don't know GJ moves like gold, and GJ is one son of a gun.
Yeah.
You just gotta talk to her right. She gets really angry.
Mm.
Like, oh my gosh, that pair is just
I don't even look at GJ. I just do right now GBP USD.
yeah. You were saying, I thought Victor too was gonna get on it too,
Oh yeah, I was
because
wondering. I've never met him before.
yeah, he's like the ghost.
Yeah. So is he pretty much new at Forex too?
He is, I'd say, about neck and neck with me, like
Oh
knowledge wise.
yeah. He,
Like he
he
knows how to get around the computer a little bit more.
um,
He knows in a different aspect. I think everybody's going back to IML though, like Emery and everybody. I think everybody's.
I might not go back to IML.
We'll see. I'm just saying, like for the investment side, I think it's a good idea.
We'll see. I started following.
Justin Adams is going to be good, and like even if you just don't share it with anybody and just do it as an investment, I mean, I think that's legit. You don't have to talk to anybody about it. I just want to do that.
Yeah.
Maybe share a couple people. I don't know, like there's a thing that like for me, I just need I need to have like some like results. If I lost too much money in the Forex, I definitely need to have consistent profits before I.
I'm kind of I don't know. I kind of like can't decide what I want to do right now. That's why I'm just doing my own thing and just learning how to trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to just do that, like keep it simple.
And then
I'm trying to try like, what are you trying to do?
I don't know. I've come across like a couple of very successful traders that just teach people for free. Like they charge.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like who?
Michael J. Huddleston. And then
I don't know.
And then there's another one I don't really follow as much. I forgot his name, but he's on Facebook. These guys, they're like, I know Michael Huddleston is like a millionaire trader, and he just go for free. So now I can't decide if I want to.
No, you got there's that's the thing is like it sucks because like not sucks, but it's just like when I learned Forex, I learned literally from I learned from Wealth Gen, I learned from Forever and Profit, from have you ever heard of Trading?
Yeah.
Yeah, like Trading, like Zachary, he's at the DFW Trade House with Mike Miles. All that shit's going down. So, yeah, there's not, I don't know, there's that situation was just like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Just trying to do too much, I don't know, or something.
Yeah, I backed out of everything. I've even been leaving like Facebook groups and everything.
Yeah.
You can't follow and learn everybody's style of trading. It's tough on you because everybody's teaching their style. You can't.
Yeah, that's like trading. I think it's called trading paralysis.
When
you have too many analysis, you just need one. You just need a few. Like like that's why I'm saying like that's where we're gonna do some Forever and Profit. I've just been doing this, so.
Yeah, Forever and Profit was pretty cool when I was able to get on. It was like consistent and step by step, and it was really.
They're gonna see. Here's the thing: is they're gonna check the $300. I think it's tomorrow or something.
They're gonna what?
They're gonna up it from $300 to $500.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But here's the catch: is if you get the $500 and you refer to somebody to it, you get $250.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for like a referral.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. Like that's what's like, it's like network, like I don't know, like it's like in Forever and you can make $250 with one sign up.
But Forever and Profit is IML as well, aren't they?
No, Forever and Profit is not part of IML.
They broke off?
Mm-hmm.
I thought
there was a lot of see it's bad because like you know what all happened with all the stuff that happened, like because you knew every leader and everything, and you're just like, oh my gosh, you're just like, it was like there was just a lot of stuff with Killian and all that, like I guess auto trader stuff happened bad or something.
Yeah, I thought Killian was gonna be an auto trader.
So they had like 1,500 to help even more. Like you can't help that many people and then be an auto trader, I don't think, in my opinion.
Mm.
It's too much going. It's too like you need you need some assistance. You need assistance.
Yeah.
If you're helping like 1,500 people, yeah, that's definitely. But yeah, I was gonna. Have you what training did you?
Just Michael J. Huddleston's training.
Michael J.
Michael J. Huddleston.
Hold on, let
He's
me
on.
see this.
There's a group I joined. I'll just add you to that group real quick.
Okay.
It's called. Hold on. Let me try to add you to this group.
I'm
Oh,
screenshotting.
the winner circle. And then there, they posted a training, and that training is a series of videos Michael J. Huddleston made, but they're kind of from 2012. You can follow him on like YouTube, and he has a website too.
Okay. Yeah, let me check it. Yeah, just send it. Shoot me over.
I'm gonna try to.
I'm trying to screen share my stuff so I can.
I'm trying to add you. Oh, add members. Here we go. I'm gonna add you, and then you can check it out from there. So Chris Kelly has been added, pending approval from admin or moderator. So yeah, once you get approved, you can check it out.
Yeah. Victor may be going on. I'm not sure.
Mm.
I know it's like 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:30.
Oh, where is he?
I'm
In
like,
New Zealand?
he's in the United Kingdom.
Mm.
I wanted to go. That was like my thing. I was gonna go out to the UK like by October. We were
Yeah. I thought I saw you post something on Facebook about that.
yeah. I'm gonna be. I want to go out of the country. I'm starting my my travel around the country. It's gonna be
How are
like.
you gonna get out?
What's that?
How are you gonna get out there?
How?
Yeah.
I'm just taking it step by step. Like I'm not saying like it's gonna happen tomorrow, but I'm gonna like eventually I just want a backpack and a laptop. That's all I need, and just go everywhere.
Well, let me know how it goes.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna rock it.
Mm.
Yeah, they updated the website.
Yeah. How long has Keelan been trading?
What's that?
How long has Keelan been trading?
Q's been trading for like I'd say 2 years.
Wow.
And Ryan is a month and 8 months. A year and 8 months.
That is not a long time.
Enrico, yeah, I know. I'm telling you, like this guy, Ryan. You see my screen?
Yeah.
I've met this guy and I've talked to him a couple times, and I've not personally met Q, but I've seen a lot of webinars and things he does.
Yeah.
But that was like right at the beginning of IML. It was like January. This was like starting to get big, and like I think Q was like platinum 4K.
And they
platinum.
Do they have day jobs, or they just survive off of trading?
No, they just do. They have this. This is their company, the Forever in Profit.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
How long have you been trading, Chris?
How long have I been trading? Since like February?
February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So 7 months.
I took like two. I'd say I took like 2 months off because of losses and things like that happened. Yeah.
Everybody took some time off after a big loss.
Yeah. It's been like a different reality. So.
Well, if you lose 10,000 this year, but you make $500,000 next year, is it really gonna matter?
Yeah, even if I make 100K next year, it doesn't. Yeah, like whatever. Like if I made 100K, I literally could live off the land for 10 years. I could just start. I could just start business. We could just start businesses.
Yeah, I can just I can live off of such little amount of money. It's not even funny.
That's what I'm saying. Like I was watching this Netflix, and it was like the small houses, and I was like, I want to do that so bad. It's like up in Oregon and Washington.
I live in a small house.
How many square feet is it?
Oh shit! I don't know. It's so funny. Like, that's my living room. That's
Let me
it.
see. Hold on. I don't see your screen. Hold on.
Look at all the books on the floor. Like, do you see? That's like my whole living room.
That's your living room?
Yeah, those are all books on the floor. That's it. That's the TV and that's the couch.
Yeah.
That's how big my living room is. It's literally, seriously, it's one bedroom.
One day, this house is huge. Well, my brother has it's a 5-bedroom house.
Wow. Yeah, I live in a one bedroom house.
Yeah, I only need like 300 square feet.
Yeah. I don't even know how many square feet this one is. It's tiny though.
Yeah, I want to build a whole bunch of them. I want to build I'm doing my secret society. So it's gonna happen.
What's your secret society gonna be about?
Developing like, um, basically it's like helping people, and like you got to be part of the club.
Okay.
Like you have to earn the trust. You have to earn the spot to go. It's gonna be, but yeah, I wanna like build like a community. I wanna build a community, kind of like Richard Branson.
Richard Branson?
Yeah, have you ever heard of Richard Branson?
Oh, Virgin. The Virgin Group.
Yeah, he has his own island.
Yeah, I know. He has his own islands.
Yeah, islands. Yeah,
The Virgin Islands and I think another one.
yeah, he's good. He's good. He's
He's actually, I know people that have met him because I live like 10, 15 minutes from Virgin Galactic out here.
Oh really?
And he comes out. Yeah, he comes out a lot, I hear.
I would go and visit him.
Yeah, I know people like work for him and they meet him. I actually one time dated a guy, not very long, but for a short period of time, that was an attorney that
Uh-huh.
worked for Richard Branson.
That's legit.
Mm-hmm.
How
Yeah.
long ago was that? That was like 5 years ago.
No, that was like a year ago.
That was a year ago.
Yeah, it was right before I got with my fiance. So I've been with my fiance
Yeah.
about 10 months now.
Okay.
Mhm.
Have you So wait, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. I want to see because I'm so confused of which part of California. Because I've been to California, so I'm so confused which part. California. Like up here, right?
Yeah. Well, you see Burbank,
Yeah.
and then you have to keep going north. Let me see. I'm
Because I
trying to
remember
find
you
the border.
showing me
Oh, you see where it says Palmdale in the upper right?
right here. Yeah.
Palmdale. So keep going north on that 14 freeway. Then there's Lancaster, and you see Rosemont
Yeah.
on the 14. Okay, and then you see Mojave along the 14, a little more north.
Yeah.
See, I live in Rosemont, and his Virgin Galactic company is in Mojave.
Huh. That's like, yeah, I was, because I remember going up here, like there's nothing, like once you pass these mountains, like there's literally nothing.
Yeah,
Like,
it's all desert. There's a lot of aviation out here where I live because they can test and do whatever in the desert. Like there's a base here, and then there's right there Mojave is in Lancaster there's an airport, in Palmdale there's an airport, in Mojave there's a space station. And then there's in Palmdale there's Northrop Grumman and Lockheed and just a
It's so
bunch.
funny because look, there's a Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, this is where I live, like right here. I'm like right here.
Oh, you're close to Lancaster too.
Yeah,
I
I live
actually
like yeah, I live.
I saw a movie last week, and one of the main man in the movie, his first name was Lancaster.
Hmm.
No, I never actually heard anybody named Lancaster before.
All of this right here is all Amish right here. This whole thing.
Are you Amish?
No, this whole thing though right here is all Amish.
My
Look,
boy, my boyfriend was asking me if you were Amish.
look,
I was like, I
it's
don't
so
know.
it's so funny. It's
He's really nice. He might be Amish. That's what I said.
look, they have these like crazy cities.
Greenfield,
It's like White Horse Gap,
White, White Horse.
Georgetown, Pomeroy. I don't know, but then yeah, but everybody doesn't realize because everybody's like, "Oh, you're Pennsylvania, isn't Philly the capital?" It's like, no, Harrisburg is. And you have heard of 3 Mile Island, right?
No.
It's you ever hold on one second. Have you ever heard of the power plant the nuclear power plant that almost melt down?
No.
No, it was like the craziest big. It was like one of the biggest news like back in the 1990s. But
Oh,
yeah, it
well,
was a huge. It was.
early
Uh,
90s? Because I was
have you
born.
ever? You know about like Chernobyl though, right?
Yeah, I saw the
That's
movie.
that's what would have happened on 3 Mile Island here.
You would have
That's
been like the Hills Have Eyes
that
guy.
would have been it would have been like that in the USA, yeah. And yeah, it's like right here, and I'm like right here.
Been a mutant.
Yeah, but well, I used to live. Yeah, like I was from here, but Austin Godsey, I guess, lived here too. I
Oh,
guess. So when I went to his event, that's why like I met his mom.
but Austin, he left IML, right?
Yeah, he started his like own GV thing.
Oh, okay. Kind of like, hmm. All right.
Yeah, but I remember going to one of his events like back in the day.
Yeah.
He was chairman. I think he was like chairman 8.
Can I show you my account because I don't understand?
Yeah, shoot me, see what's going on.
I don't understand lot sizes. Oh, hold up. They did.
All right, so here you want to look at which pair do you want to watch?
GBP USD is what I've been looking at.
GU. Okay.
But how do I screen share?
You go on it's like on the left, I think, and then there's a green arrow.
Oh, okay.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
I'm doing some testing because I think I like it's always about like yeah you should use your own analysis like and I'm kind of there's a gentleman that I liked. He didn't put it as red and blue. It was just green because green is money. So it's it's
Yeah,
like
I don't really do the whole red and blue thing that much.
yeah. I think red is bad. I don't know. I think I portray red as bad,
And yeah, and there is no bad.
and there is no bad. Yeah, it's money is green. So it's dark. Yeah, so it's darker green and lighter green.
I even start doing like pink and purple and
Yeah,
making it all cute and stuff.
I think you have to have like because I want. Here's the thing: is like one of the investments or one of the things that I want to do. Like once all this stuff goes further, I want to make some funny things out of pips.
Yeah. What do you
Like
mean, like memes or?
no, just like I don't know, like have a shirt and it has pips on it or something. You know, like just random stupid things. Like, and I think it would just interest people a lot better.
Yeah.
because people love like geometry, like I don't know, like math. A lot of like a lot of people that like math, like geometry and things like that. I don't know, like
Yeah.
knowing this market, like seeing that, like whoa, it's too much, too much.
Okay. So I don't really use this chart. I use tradingview.com to view the charts.
Hold on, let me check.
But
Are
I
you sharing
place
your
my
screen?
trades.
Okay.
Huh?
Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah.
Why does it go like that? Why is it doing that?
What this?
Oh, because okay, never mind. Hold on.
Oh, I'm on the
I'm
wrong
screen.
chart.
We can't both screenshot.
Oh, you can't see my screen?
Yeah,
Oh.
but we both can't screenshot.
Oh.
All right.
I'm looking for GBP. No.
GU? Where's GU?
Can't
You need to
find
get
it.
the one big thing too on all this. You should get rid of all these pairs. Get rid of all of that.
How do I get rid of them?
Uh, I'm not sure. Do you have a Mac or a Windows?
Like that?
Yeah. So you just need
I have a Mac.
GU. You have a
Yeah.
Mac. I'm working on like getting the keys right because I don't. There was some reason that I was not getting a lot of things done. So because I haven't like personally, I haven't used a Mac like for a while.
Yeah,
I've always been a Windows person, and I went.
me too.
So I'm
But
not familiar with a lot of the things, and I'm doing some new things with the keyboard because there's like a lot of controls or something that you have to switch to like for the MacBook Pro that I have. I don't know what kind of computer you have,
it's a
but
MacBook Air.
the Air. Okay, well yeah, the Pro like I don't know, like the keyboard's simple, but you just have to know like the couple commands. Windows has like I don't know everything. I don't know. You just have everything.
Yeah, I like Windows better.
Yeah, it depends on what it is though. Like when it comes to Mac, if you're doing like DJ, I don't know, like music and things like that, it's much better programs. But I
Oh
don't know.
my,
It just depends. Just depends on what you're using.
I
Yeah. So
think
just add GU and like two other pairs that you've been looking at, and that's it. Don't even look at any other pair but those three.
uh, I've only looked at two.
Okay.
I don't see EUR USD.
Yeah, it's the last one. Yeah.
I don't know how to get rid of this top one, but
Don't worry. I mean AUD. That one's a okay pair to trade anyway.
why isn't it? There we go. GBP USD. And then look at my history. Where's my history? Here it is. My history like sucks. I started with 100.
That's your three trades that you took.
Yeah, but I think two were like one. I think one was I think this
Either
one.
at the end of the day, you shouldn't like if you lost any more than $5 with a .10
Yeah,
with a $100 account.
yeah.
That's it. That would be the longest. I would the only thing is probably your entries. Then from what I see, or you're definitely your entries wherever you're hitting.
Mm,
Especially yeah, GU moves pretty quick too.
yeah,
And USDCHF, that was that one. Oh my gosh, that USDCHF that I told you to take.
yeah,
Are you serious?
yeah. I think two of these
Oh
were.
my gosh, and it went down. You know how much it went down? It went 300 pips.
Did I not? Why did I lose?
Because your stop loss hit, and it
Oh,
hit your stop loss. It went up like another 20 pips,
and then it
and
went
then
down.
and then it went down. I don't know if I told you, because that's what I'm trying to do is like I'll do that. I'll like take a trade, and then if it stops me out, it's like okay, 10 pips, like whatever, 10, 20 pips, like 20 pips max. I
Yeah,
don't like to lose. I don't like to lose a lot, and the
I
pips.
think that's what happened. Is I had set my stop loss at a 20 pip loss.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it was 20. It was 25. You have 25 pips. The entry was way late that I told you to put. I didn't know that was live. I would have gave you a better entry. I thought you were just doing demo.
This is demo.
Oh, okay. That pair I made $300.
Wow,
Hold on, let me check.
that's what I'm
Hold on,
saying.
let me check.
I know I'm doing something wrong because I don't think I'm so off on what I think's gonna happen. I think I just don't know how to get into
Yeah,
a trade.
no, it takes a while. I have GJ right now. I'm in on a sell on GJ. I'm up $113. Like, how dare they? a demo I can win.
Yeah. So,
Hold on. Yeah, it was USDC. I just want to see that. Euro, I should have told you about the sell on Euro CAD. That went down that went
what?
down 350 pips.
Hmm. Are you starting to make consistent profits?
Yeah, I made $300 last week.
Oh, good.
Hold on, let me see. Euro NZD. Where is it? USD CHF. I traded that pair. Where did I trade it? Oh, it's because this is not the right account. I have more than one account.
Hmm.
That's a thing. Like another thing too is I wanted to start doing that more like different accounts. Cause like NFP, I would have made $150 with $100 account.
And if okay.
This last Friday.
Yeah. So what do I do now that I only have how much do I have in my that I only have $12 balance?
On your live.
No, this is demo.
Go back and just do it again. Just do start with 250. Go do add another one and then just do 250.
How do can I just have them add money to this one or do I have to open a new one?
Just open a new one.
I'm gonna I don't like having so
Oh,
many
you have Traders Way? What do you have, Traders Way? You have
elements.
Talent. Oh, you have Talent. Oh shit, I've never seen Talent. Like a
Yeah.
little bit. I saw Talent a little bit. I have Traders Way.
Oh, okay. I
That's
heard
why. Yeah,
I was
I don't know much about. Yeah, Talent is good though. I just haven't used it.
oh, okay.
That was a lot of confusion. A lot of people were like, I don't know what to use and shit.
Yeah,
It was,
I remember. I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna choose one and go with it.
it's good. The only thing about Talent is if you want to put money in your live, you have to wire transfer it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Man, GJ finally went down. I put in a sell. At like I'll share my screen because I've been testing a couple things out. Like with, hold on, let me see. Let's see which pair. Let's go. Let's go to GU. Just gonna show you. Dun, dun. GJ, where are you? Hold on, let me. I don't like this. This is too much. I don't like the. Okay, so grid, no grid. Hold on. Were you up when Brexit happened, or were you sleeping?
Me?
Yeah.
I probably was doing something but trading because I don't even know when Brexit a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I did a little bit of trading, but not. It looks like they can add money to my demo. I don't have to start a whole new one.
So yeah, okay, so this is the hourly chart. You see my screen?
Hold on, let me look. Yeah, I see your screen.
Okay, just looking at GU. See this.
That's GJ.
Oh, it's GJ. Oh my gosh.
That's GU.
Okay. Yeah, that's what. I was looking at. Well, I'm just giving you the reference for GJ because the Great Britain had some major news Thursday,
Oh, okay.
and so like it hit the trend and it was like a perfect sell because
Yeah.
it's coming back. It's coming back. It's getting on a downtrending market, so it wouldn't. Like you just get there's a lot of things that come with news, even just for even that. It's like you got to find that. But yeah, GJ. So
I have a hard time keeping track of the news and understanding what it means.
oh well, with that, it's there you have to have more than one analysis on news. Like this is Forex Factory, and then there's Forex reports. There's so many different, but you have to know this because sometimes let's say there's news at 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Then
Hello?
if you're trading, especially longer term, when the news happens and stuff. But here's today, today at 2 o'clock, and here we'll look at 10 minutes from now, the euro. You see what see what it is. It's a yellow folder, so that doesn't usually happen. Nothing much usually happens, but I mean something could happen. And then here 4:30 in the morning, they got something big. Another one, man. GBP has been having a lot of big news. Like last week, that Thursday. Here, I'll show you. It dropped. It dropped. It dropped. It dropped 219 pips.
Wow.
Damn. You could have been eating off that with a stand that's what I'm saying. When we get to a point that was a perfect one. That was oh my gosh. Actually you would have caught it right here. 218 pips. Because there was, you see this? It went down, up, and then it went down. Retested that same area. No retest, no entry, and I knew it was going to go up a little bit, probably before that news to fake everybody out, and then boom, news just fakes people out. That's all it does.
Oh, okay.
A lot of things. Here's NFP. Here, I'll look at Here's what happened to um, I've been testing out like entries with these zones and stuff. Um, let's see. Yeah, so this is the day. Let's do. Yeah, so this is what happened to NFP Friday, and that was easy pips, easy.
Wow.
That was you would have probably caught. I would have probably caught a late entry. I would have put buy limit and a sell limit right here, like boom boom, sell stop or stop sell buy and a sell stop, and then I would have just put it right here because it would have just went like I knew this was gonna happen. So I probably yeah, that's why I caught. I said 150. I mean, you had a potential of getting like 120 pips, but right there I did 70. Yeah, like look at that.
How come you didn't catch that?
Because I'm on my demo.
Did you catch it on your demo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm just like, man, and I had to
That's
work. Like, I was just like, I made more in 2 seconds than I made at my job all day.
At this point, I'll be happy just catching things on my demo account.
Well, that's why. Yeah, we'll start. Let me be right back. We'll start. I'm gonna start some. Let's see. I want to show you. Let's see if you want to do like. Do you want to do like price action or anything like divergence? Do you know anything about divergence or like just give me something trend line?
Well, one thing I want to
Distance.
do is look at the that last trade I entered and see what happened. Just review it.
Oh yeah, okay, well, yeah. So we'll go. Let's go to GU. Hold on, let me go on that chart. So
if I look in my history, it says it was a buy order, lot size 0.10 GBP USD. I bought at 1.3050. So I think I have that.
1.3050.
1.3050. Yeah, it's this. I'm gonna go to the hour. 4 hours.
When did you do this? Yesterday? Well, like when did this happen?
Let me see.
1.0.3. I don't know. I haven't seen GU, so I'm 1.3050.
Yeah, it was the 5th. What day was that?
So, and you were in a sell. What you were in a sell?
The 5th was. Hold up. Why does it say 5th? That's weird. It says it was Friday.
Was it Friday? Was it this
No,
Friday?
I think it was Friday, Thursday, but like late Thursday for me. So early morning Friday. You know, like it must have been like 1 or 2 a.m. It wasn't like Friday.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's probably. I'm looking one.
I entered at 1.3050.
On a buy.
Yeah, on a buy. On the 5th. And the time, it says that the time was.
How much did you lose? Let me see. I gotta see your screen.
It's this one right here. I lost $29.30.
$29.30. So you on a 0.1, so you lost 20. Yeah, it was almost 30 pips right there. And that's
30.
the thing when you're doing entries and stuff like so when you're doing entries, especially what you say with I'm gonna say like with a $100 account with a 0.01, you would lose like the maximum of if you were doing like a swing trade, it would be the maximum of $10. If you were doing a scalp, it would be like the maximum of like $2.
Well, I was
If you
trying
hit
to do
technical.
a position trade is what I was trying. That's why I allowed for such a large stop loss.
Yeah.
But
That
it,
you were well, it has a, see that's the thing is the GBP USD hasn't it's still in a downtrending market. So
oh,
even though long term, even though it's up, it's gonna go down to here probably, and then it's gonna come back up. And where's your
I don't know.
screen?
I'm trying to. You want to see my screen?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. There you go.
So okay, so you were right. Yeah. Okay. So at one point, so you were at a buy. Yeah, and it's still trending market. So that's why one thing that you have to know about the forex markets, there's like every once a week there's midweek reversals.
Oh,
So every week, like it could happen tonight, it could happen tomorrow, it could happen Wednesday night, it could happen Thursday. But
oh,
like sometime throughout the week, it's between 3 a.m. and 8 a.m. for a lot of the pairs, and I'm probably sure it's like there's probably some kind of reversal pattern sometime in the week for that pair. So you just have to fight, like, because it's still in a downtrending market. And is this what this is the minute chart?
oh. Am I in the 1 minute chart? No, it's a 1 month.
Oh, it's a month. Yeah, I was gonna say. I was like,
Yeah.
look how low that is.
Well,
That's another thing is you don't like it's this pair is probably the hardest to learn because you're such a new
oh,
trader because
yeah.
you don't have any analysis to go back and see what the hell is going on.
Yeah, well, I know that the GBP USD has a summertime low, and I thought that we were in the summertime low and that it was going to come back up
Oh, if you
after.
like that's the thing is there's four kinds of traders. There's scalpers, there's people you have to find what you like trading the most too. Like just focus on that because like if you're just
Oh,
scalping, it's like a couple like an hour, maybe 15 minutes or something less. But then there's swing trade that's like you trade from like that midweek reversal then till all the way to the next week. Then you'll trade you'll or either take it out before that or you leave it until like close to that time.
yeah.
And then there's position traders. And if I was a position trader, that's like sick. Like I would take this trade and leave it till January.
That's what I was trying to do. That's why if you look at my stop loss
Your
and
stop. But if that was theoretically like that, you would probably have your stop loss of 150 pips.
well, let me see what I had it at. I'm gonna subtract.
That's a position trader. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. Why are you doing that? All right. So where were we at?
Actually, I had a 260 pip stop loss.
What?
That's why it bumped me out of the trade early before it hit my stop loss, I think. That's
No. No, your stop for 10 for a .10. Your yeah, 10 pips is
what?
yeah, point on a .10, 10 pips is a dollar. Or
Uh-huh.
$10, sorry. Yeah, because the standard lot is that would for that it would be a 300. You would have lost $290 on a standard.
So standard is 1.0.
Yeah,
So what is a 0.10? What's that called?
that's a mini
A mini.
mini
So
lot.
was I bumped out early because I couldn't afford to lose that much money?
Wait, let me see. Hold on, let me see something. Hold on. No, it's not. It's you. It's not. What happened was you ran out of um. What is that name? Hold on. You ran out of like margin. You ran out of. That's what happened.
What does margin mean?
Like so your account could not handle any more losses. Like let's say had a $100 account and
So it's probably not a good idea to do position trades on a $100 account.
no, not definitely not. A position trader would probably have $100,000 in their account,
Oh,
or
okay.
at least probably 20K, at least that.
Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna position trade. I think the idea of position trading is such a good idea because
It's a good idea for like if you're because I don't know if you just leave it be, but I'm just saying like that's just like a long-term investment. Like I would rather um just have a trade that they just trade for 6 months, like oil, like that's like, but you don't have to, like, that's the thing is like you don't have to be everything like one thing. Like if I
yeah,
give you a trade, and I know, hey, oil from fucking January to April is gonna be a buy, just leave it in and let it be.
yeah.
Then you wouldn't worry about it. But that's the
Oh,
thing is you have to check on it from time to time. It just depends on what kind of comfort you feel. Like I'm not telling you to do one thing or the other. I'm just saying do what's comfortable to you.
yeah.
But for GU, that's definitely like until probably tomorrow or even Wednesday. It could be the midweek reversal, so it could be for another 2 days. It's going down.
Mm.
But at the end of the day, analysis, it goes so much, like it could spike up 100 pips, like at any given moment. You
So
want
I'm having a hard time understanding lot sizes and what they mean to your money.
okay, so here, hold on, let me share my screen.
All right.
So let's say lot sizes. Okay, so this is the best way to test it. Is use it. You see this? You see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see my where my mouse is?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the crosshair. So let's imagine you caught like which is in a perfect world you caught this as a perfect entry.
Okay.
Hold on. So so it went up. Okay, so you see the 0, and then you see the 1528,
Yeah.
and then you see 1.31740.
Yeah.
Okay, so 0 is the like so we're on a 30-minute chart. So if you went all the way to here, that's 22 30-minute bars that happen in between that time frame of here to here.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay.
and then going up, it's you see the number 1557,
Uh-huh.
right?
Those are
Well, that's
pips,
the
right?
so if you just take out, let's just say let's just say that number 143 1439. So let's just take out the 9, and it's 100, so it's 143 pips. So just
Okay.
don't worry about the last digit and the number, and that's how many pips it is.
143.
142 pips.
It's not 1,439.
No, no, that's micro pip. That's micros.
Oh, this is in micro pips.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was pips.
Oh, you're good. So that's micro pips. So that's so it's
Okay.
140. So that's 143 pips that it moved.
Yeah. Wow.
So and that's what and that last number is just where the price is, where you put the end of the line is. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's 100. So yeah, so on a standard lot, which is a 1.0, right there would be $140. Or no, hold on, no, that would be $1,140.
$1,140. Okay.
And then so um
But
so
I
like
don't.
on a point one, that would be 14. No, that would be $140 right there.
Okay. But doesn't it matter how much you're trading
Yeah.
or
So like what do you mean, like by how, like
like
by
your
account size,
balance?
or what's that?
Like your balance doesn't affect
So
the
your balance, you should always have. I mean, like I have a $3,000 account. So the next time I trade, I'm gonna have a $3,000 account, or not 3,000. Sorry, I'm gonna have a. It's probably gonna be a 2,500.
yeah, like live account,
Yeah,
so that way you don't get taken out of the trades.
because I don't wanna. I don't wanna worry. Like, I don't wanna be like making $2, $2. Like I want to. Like I'll do that on my demo, but I want like. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
like if I'm gonna trade, like it better be paying some kind of bill. Like even that, even to sell, like even your car and sell. I mean, just to start off with, but
Yeah.
I'm just saying, like for you to trade and you're like, oh, I made $2. Like okay, like that pays for no time.
That pays for nothing.
Yeah, but yeah, you don't make that much when you're. But I mean, the EC that went down 300 pips. I mean, I caught on a whole bunch of .01. So what I do, I don't know. Like it's
But
like let's say this is going down. Like let's say, or how like here's a perfect example. So GJ has been going down for like quite some time.
yeah.
So what it is if you had if I caught like this would have went up, and then you want to went, like I knew this was a downtrending market, right, like right here. So I would have caught this for 958 pips on a .01. 958 pips is $95.
What's the math on that? Like, what are you physically doing? You have a calculator out, right?
No, I'm just doing this in my head.
Oh, what do you do?
What do you mean, like?
Like, is there some type of like, can I multiply or subtract
Oh,
something?
like I just use start like I just keep it like not to be trading a standard lot, but keep it simple and keep it start like standard is an easy way to reference things. So
Okay.
that's how I always done it. Like so when you have a 1.0 standard lot, this would have been um hold on, that would have been 100 pips. 100 pips is $1,000. So 960. So it would have been $9,640
On a standard lot.
on a standard lot.
Okay. Because the standard is $1 per.
1.00, yeah.
It's $1.
Yeah. Well, it's not
Okay.
really like $1. I don't like they call it like I just 1.00. It's a standard is like 100,000 units of money of currency you're leveraging. So it's a lot. So that's $9,640 you would have took it on the ride all the way down.
I just got a notification on the laptop. It says that Michael J. Huddleston's 44th birthday is today.
Oh, really?
And he's been trading for 20 years since he was 24.
Wow, that's
He said
crazy.
he's going to retire when he hits $200 million trading.
He's gonna retire then.
Yeah, that's his
Two,
point of
yeah,
retire. Like,
when
that's
you
what.
make $200 million, like it's oh my god, like it's insanity. Like oh my gosh,
And you know he has 5 kids.
$200 million is like you're set for life.
Yeah, you are. But you know you can still blow through that.
Oh, I'm so yeah, you can blow. I'm just saying, like I would just put it on a whole bunch of different investments and then just.
Yeah.
But
I
so that's crazy. Like, isn't that wild though? Like that's
but
nine
that's
thousand. That's $9,000.
yeah.
Ten
So
thousand. $10,000 if you had the perfect. I mean, you would
to
probably call
enter
it essentially, but
to enter a trade like that, what kind of a balance would you be looking at
ten
needing
thousand. You need a $10,000 account.
to make $10,000?
I mean, you could have done it on like a $2,000 account. I mean, just depends on how good a trader you are. It just depends on how like if you've been consistently making profits with like a point oh 0.01 all the time, and like people that are really good, they get bored of their strategy. Like that's how like they make so much money because they get bored, like they get bored off of it.
Yeah.
There's a point in time where this happens. So, but uh, but yeah, like that's because I like this was called. I knew about this whole thing. I've been watching G to J so much, but like this was a shark pattern on the weekly. So it caught like I'm like, oh my gosh. So it like went up. It went up that much. Somebody called that out that I knew. And it was 100 and it was 1,000 pips.
Wow.
11. No, wait, hold on. That's what I'm saying. Like that's crazy.
I
Just
mean the
on a
pips.
point oh 0.01 though. That's what I'm saying. Like a point oh 0.01, that's $124 with the smallest lot size.
Yeah. I mean the pips are there for us to get. It's just we have to go get them.
Yeah, it's just like it's like any good trader I know. I realize this has to realize that they're gonna lose $10,000 in the markets.
Oh no. I haven't lost nearly that much yet, so I know it's coming.
But that not really because I'm not it's not gonna happen. Like people are gonna use risk management. Like people are not gonna blow their accounts in front of me
Yeah.
because that I mean that's gonna be way down. Like I'm not saying like it's gonna be a year, 2 years from now. Like I don't know. I don't think you'll blow $10,000 in one trade.
No, me neither, but I mean I'm being so careful too though, like
It just depends. It just depends on how much. Like you got to know exactly. Like not exactly, but like you got to know what you want. Like do you want to make 50,000 a year in trading? Do you want to make 20,000 a year? Do you want to make what? Like that's what you have to know. Your long term pip value. Like you have to know how many pips you want to catch.
yeah.
Things like that. I think that's a big thing.
Yeah. I heard what Huddleston was saying is you don't even need to catch that many pips to make a good living off of it.
Yeah, there was a guy. There's this guy. Yeah, this guy that I know. All he does is trade GU. He lives in North Carolina, but he's in Wealth Club or something
Uh-huh.
like that. I don't know what. There's so many companies, but
Yeah.
yeah, he makes 50,000 off this one pair, and he gave me a trade one time, and I made like $50 off of it. I was like, legit.
Wow. Just off of GU?
Yeah, just GU. He makes 50,000 a year. He's a quiet trader. He just doesn't talk to many people, and he does
Yeah.
that like for a living. He's been doing it for like 3 years.
Yeah, I mean you don't actually have to talk to people.
Yeah, he's a point. He trades. You know, and what you know how much he trades? Point like 2.05.
Wow.
Yeah,
Well,
and he makes 50K a year.
yeah,
Like, isn't that crazy? A point oh five.
yeah. That's what Huddleston was saying. He's like, you only need to catch like. He said you could literally live off of 15 pips a week.
15 a week.
Yeah, that's what he said.
That's what he's saying. Oh my gosh, that's nuts. 15 tips.
Yeah,
He's using larger than wow.
yeah.
He's using larger than like five he's probably doing like 5 standards or
Mm,
10 standards. He's probably doing at least a week.
yeah. He
So
says that's all
he's doing at least 5 standards. 5 standards.
he says that's all he needs.
Yeah, 5 standard lots. That's how much. That's what he's trading.
But I guess like the less pips you need, the more you can kind of risk because you only need those such few amount of pips.
That's what we were trying to do, and we were over levered. Like we just weren't. I don't. I think there's a point where you can't. It's kind of like I don't know when if you got to know when you're losing. Because what I was like, there would be times when I would do standard lots, and I'd be down like $500.
Mm.
But you got to realize that it's like
I didn't even know you could do 0.05 lot sizes.
yeah, you could do .01.
But 0.05 is smaller than 0.01, isn't it?
No, no, .01 and .02, .03, .04, .05, .06, .07. Hold on, let me give you something.
Okay.
Are you in the IML Elite?
I might be, or I know I was. I don't know if I pulled out of it. Like I said, I pulled out of so many groups recently. I just can't. I can't follow everybody, even though
No,
I'd like to.
you can't follow everybody. You spend too much time and you're not even worried about anything. Like
Yeah, and if you, I don't want any drama. I just want to trade. That's it. And even
yeah.
without drama, there's just there's too much information. You can't. Even if it's all good information, it's just too much.
Yep.
There's just not even enough time in the day to follow too many people.
There's not enough time in the day. There's not. There is not. I can't find it.
Mm.
But so lot sizes. Let me see something. So lot size is like if you have a $250 account, I would use .02s.
Okay. Yeah, I just got they just deposited some money, so now I have a balance of 250.
Okay. So yeah, I was just saying like even just like compounding it on GJ, like here's GJ just to per se. Let's just do GU since you're I don't know if I really want to teach you GU because I don't
Alright, we can look at a different one.
there's just no like this area is just it's like dead man zone. There's nothing there's no analysis.
Hmm.
Let's see the NZDs. Okay, so I've been trying to start. Here's the big thing: is you should start learning. Like this is why you'll go do some back testing. So this is what NZD has been doing.
Okay.
And like, so this is like what the banks trade at like even number. So like 0.6500 flat. Like the banks are trading thousands of lots at this time. And so you got to know about those numbers, but you start like back testing these, and you go through the months, the weeks, the days, hours, and all that. But like NZDs, they they just are so pretty because they don't move that much. Like GJ moves like fucking like I was just showing you. It moved like 1,100 pips.
Yeah.
Like here it 71. So it moved. Let's see. Hold on. Let's do the week. It moved up. NZD. I only moved 128 pips, so it moved like 1/10 the fastness of GJ.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't move that much. So like you can catch higher lot size. So it depends. Like it could catch higher lot sizes on minute candles are like 6 pip. Like this is like it's been 6 pips every 15 minutes. Like there's nothing that happens. But like if like when it does drop like 30 pips. That's what you could just catch this entry, boom. But what I'm noticing about these NZDs is you can just catch like midweek reversals and just catch them, and you can put high lot size, like a higher lot size, not like a high, but you know, like 284 pips over one. That was 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 284 pips.
Yeah.
So you could put like, and it would have like that. I would have caught that. Bam, rode it all the way up. I would have probably exited out because it retested. This is another support zone right here. I can see it. I haven't drew it up yet. I haven't finished this. But it went up and it retests. No retest, no entry. It goes up. 289. Yeah, I would have probably caught out 250, probably.
Mm-hmm.
So that's like just right there. I mean, on a just say, I always say standard lot, like standard lot, just as a give you an imagination of how much that is. It's $2,500 for 2 weeks, and you just caught that one trade.
Yeah.
So there's the power in that. Like it's gonna take a little bit longer. The NZDs are there's just not. I've been doing a lot of research on New Zealand actually because I may be traveling there.
Oh, okay. Are you gonna go visit Victor?
I want to go. I want to see. Yeah, he's in the UK. We're just gonna be traveling the world.
Oh.
But here we could do like a really quick video in Forever Profit. Like there's like trend lot, like supply and demand, like supply and demand divergence or
I know supply and demand.
trend lines.
Let me see, trend lines. Yes, I know trend lines.
Okay, let's do price action then.
Okay.
Welcome
Basically, this webinar is going to be about price action and.
Hold on. Yeah, we'll just start with like half of this, like 20 minutes, and then see what's up. You see my screen?
Yeah.
It's like freezing up. All right. Perfect. If you got any questions, just type it in the chat. I'll just talk. And be able to go. All right. So basically, welcome to Forever in Profit. Basically, what we're about long-term trading. We don't trade at M5. We don't trade at M1. We don't trade at M15. The reason behind that is because the truth is they're trap charts. We are a Forever in Profit chat. Like, we really do make that type of crazy profit. We do long-term for a lot of reasons. As we saw in the H1 chart, that's where our primary focus is at. We don't use the M1 chart at all. There's too much movement. Can't really like dictate where the chart is going to go, where your candles are going to go. As you can see, when I zoom in, you got gaps. You got a lot of movement happening in the market that you can't really like determine if you're going to win. Not price action to help you on M1. M5 chart, we don't use the M5 chart at all either. This is just as well as traps. It's just basically 5 candles on a 1 minute chart that make a 5 minute candle. So it's basically doing the same thing. It's like 5 of these candles that make 1 candle this. And that's not a true reversal pattern. M15 chart is questionable, but we don't use this chart either. A lot of traps also appear on this chart. A lot of fake outs. Price action gets broken out a lot of times on this chart as well. So we don't use this chart. Forever Profit uses the M30, H1, H4, day 1, weekly 1, and the monthly. Now, the reason behind that is, I'm about to explain. We focus also on USD/CAD. We don't focus on the euro. The euro has been very choppy lately. It's had a lot of ups and downs. You guys can hear me okay? All right. So the euro has a lot of perfect. So the euro has a lot of ups and downs lately, and basically we don't really want to focus on that chart. It's not something I would recommend a lot of people to trade on, but everything is also predictable in the market. And I mean everything. Okay. Now, if we go look at the monthly chart, where I always start my day, as well as news. Are you guys familiar with news? I'm pretty sure Anderson, Kirsten, I kind of told you already. Marcos, I'm pretty sure you're up to date on that because you are in W3A. Basically, what we do is that I go to the monthly chart and I see. Let me turn this up. All right. Basically, we go to the monthly chart, and that's where we start looking for the trend. Now, for the people that's new, you about to have a lot of success while coming into this chat, and I'm gonna show you why. We focus on the USD/CAD for this one reason, and it's also this movement happened on other charts. As you can see on the monthly chart, if you're familiar with the M's and W's, we have a W-shaped figure right here on the monthly chart. Now, you're probably just looking at it like, oh, okay, that's just a W. But no, the truth is, this happened. This W formed, it took 6 years to make. Okay, the outside part took only 1 year and 3 months to make, and what's happens to the left usually happens to the right. So what's going to happen in the marketplace? This is going to all fall, and they're already starting, as you can see right here. So if we do simple price action, technical analysis, we see that the resistance is already cutting this off with wicks. As you see on the left side of the chart, there's already wicks forming. So what does that mean over here? The market is not going to go up. This W that it forms, they already did its rise, had a long rise, even had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of rise. The last month right here was this high takeoff, and in February, it started to drop. As you can see right here, it dropped February 1st. The market just started going down little by little. And what's going to happen is this is going to fall for 1 year and 3 months or more. The reason behind that is this is the first level support. Okay? And when you have support, that's a strong level support because you see reversal pattern, which is an engulfing candlestick. The market is just going to keep falling. It's going to keep falling, keep falling, keep falling and then you know your true trend of this chart. Now in Euro USD, it's the same thing. It's just the opposite, and I can prove that because they're in reverse on candle charts, candle pairs actually. As you can see here, we have an M, which is a little harder to see, which is right here. So right here. Right, perfect. So let's see that. We have an M. As you can see, the market went up and went down, went up, and then dropped. This M is not going to start going back up. It's going to trace this outside. As you can see, this high rise, it's going to do that. And USD/CAD is the opposite, like I said. So you know where the money is about to be coming in. The market is just that predictable. So what's going to happen is, since we understand how the market is going to run on these two charts, we focus on USD/CAD because a bearish trend is actually more smoother than a upwards trend, which is a bullish trend. Okay. And another thing that you're going to want to do is, once you understand how the power long term, which is the monthly chart, you understand the trends. You're basically going to know where the news is going to go, where the market is going to go, where the flow of things is going to go. You're not going to go against the market. You're going to go with the market. You're going to go with the trend. I perform price action. Price action is basically something that happens with the chart, and it goes with price. Price is king. I don't care about the indicators. I don't care about what type of session we trade. It doesn't matter. Everything has a trend inside of the trend. So if we go to the weekly chart on USD/CAD, we're going to notice two things. Resistance that I did on the monthly chart, which is here. As you can see here, I drew this line up here. We're going to realize that on the weekly chart, it's respecting that line. It's not going past this line. It tested, it did a reversal on coffee, and this market is just going to fall. This is the weekly chart, okay? So that clarifies that the monthly chart is now true. This is when the money is about to be made. Like, I'm not playing games with this chat. Like, this chat is really going to blow. So as you can see in the weekly chart, it's already forming. It did like a little semi-M, and the market is just going to crash. Now, what the market makers do is very simple. The market makers do not play. What they do is they do M's and W's to throw people off, and you can find it in between writing of the code, which is the line chart. Okay, so you look at your candlesticks, and you're like, okay, wow. But if you look in the line chart, it shows you the letters. It shows you it. It did a W, and now it did an M, and the market's going to fall. This is on the weekly chart. It did a engulfing and a engulfing. Now, how did it get these two engulfings? It's very simple. Mid-week reversal. The concept is going to be beyond simple. So we already know this week the market is going to fall. So if you're getting in the trade, see this long wick, it tried going up, it didn't work. This was the earliest of the week, which is the mid-week reversal, which I'm going to explain this red candle, the wick, and how it started to drop. Now, if we go to the day chart, we're going to notice two things on this day chart. We're going to see a lot of consolidation at the top, which corresponds to this consolidation on the monthly chart. And this corresponds to the same thing on the weekly chart, okay? On the day chart, we see that it's a reversal pattern, and the market is about to drop drastically. Whatever happens to the left must happen to the right. I don't know why the market does that, just do. So you see these long candles on the day chart. Within the next few days, we're going to have a strong downtrend, okay? Now if we go to the H4 chart, we do see the pattern. You're probably looking at it like, wow, what is this? But the truth is, this pattern is called mid-week reversal. This is where we focus on our money. The long term, not the short term. All right? So now whenever you see the H4 results of what's happening in the trend, which I call the true trend, we just want to catch these movements because every candle they see here is just 4 H1 candles. So if you see reversal here, boom, engulfing, it lasted a while. Because when you got a reversal, it lasts a while. It doesn't just fake out on the high time frame. Once you got a reversal, it lasts a while. I'm going to keep saying it. Boom, you got another reversal. Boom, another reversal. Boom, another reversal. Boom. This is NFP, huge reversal. It's not going to retrace. I can place so much orders right here for standards, and I know I'm going to be in the win. Okay? Because I'm going to explain what I mean by that. Because there's going to be another mid-week reversal coming up, and this is going to probably get retraced like up here. Now, if we go to the H1 chart, where I do all my chart watching, all my focusing on, but I do not always do my entries on this chart. It's basically because of two reasons. The trend. I don't do my entries on this chart 100% because it's going to be a little late entry, and I know I could have gotten it on this doji instead of getting at the close of this candle. Pull up this, see it better. All right. Now, if you go look at this, very simple. This was last week before this week's midweek reversal. So the last week we had a Morningstar pattern. Okay, this Morningstar pattern is our midweek reversal pattern. This happened at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. It took off. Okay, that's why we focus on midweek reversals from 3 to 8 a.m. because it always happened from 3 to 8 a.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. If you get in the entry here, I do want you to know how long this went up. If you go to the H4 chart, what do you see? A lot of 4-hour candles. It lasts a week. The cycles are like this. Sunday, it will hit the weekly because the weekly is open on the Sunday, which is purple and the red. And then on Sunday, it will let you know where you can get the trend. Like right now, I have a sell-in, okay? Because I know that the market is going to hit. First, it's going to bounce off the weekly high, and then it's going to drop. It's going to keep dropping. And I'm going to catch my entry on the weekly high because that weekly high is going to go all the way to midweek because the cycles are like Sunday to midweek and then midweek to midweek. So if you got in late, you can get in on the Sunday, ride it to midweek, take all your profits, and then ride it from midweek to midweek and repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat. And that's how we've been making money. That's how a lot of people have been making money. Especially Marco, for example. He went from yeah, amazing. You see Marco's like Marco Pips, he made 1,000 to 10,000. Rico went from 12 to 3,000, and there's just more people that's gonna be making money. There's a lot of other people that have been teaching this method to in another chat, and they all see profit. And I was like, you know what? Let me bring this to W3A because I do not use Luciano, as you can see here. This is all technical analysis, like a chart reading. And basically just using the MM sessions to my favorite. So what I'm gonna see right now, why is Q calling? Hold on. Q. Huh?
So do you understand like what he's been looking at, or?
Yeah. Yeah, I like 80% get it, but it sounds good. Like what I do understand. Good.
Yeah, like here's the thing with UCAD though right now is because oil has all been getting fucked up because see UCAD on USD CAD, the oil correlates a lot with USD CAD.
Yeah.
So like right now all the oil's going back and forth, so the price is not doing. It's not being fun right now. So I'm just waiting for UCAD to kind of do a little bit other things, and then that's going to be a good pair to be good. But yeah, so like weekly reversals, like yeah, they don't worry about like the 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute.
Yeah.
And they just do some entries for the week. They check on them a couple times, and then that's it. Like they don't stress about it. But I'm gonna keep going just a little bit more. I'm gonna go to like 20 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Magic Mountain tomorrow, so
You're
probably.
good. Oh yeah, shit, what time is it?
It's 1 a.m. over here.
For sure, yeah.
But we can go a little
good.
longer because I need to learn anyways.
Yeah, we'll be, 8 more minutes and then yeah, that's what I was figured call tonight too.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready. Starting. I'm live right now. Yeah, it's recording. Ready in. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah, the sentiment. All right. All right. So basically, we're back to looking at the H4 chart. So you see a lot of candles going up, and you're like, okay, cool. And the only way that you get in this trend, man, is at 3 to 8 a.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We do not know when the pattern is going to happen, but when it happens, you're paid. You're forever in profit. That's it. It's going to last Sunday to midweek or midweek to midweek. If you catch this midweek reversal, I want you to know one thing. This is going to last for 1 full week. 1 full week of movement. If I put on my day breakers, you even realize it.
Brian.
Yo.
Yeah, question. When you say midweek to midweek, what does that mean? I mean, when we get a
midweek to midweek is basically a Brinks trade. So what do I mean by that?
Okay.
Very simple. Look, check me out. A Brinks setup is when the market holds this position on the weekly low or at the weekly high for more than 90 minutes on a setup that you could catch. And it's basically reversing the trend. So let's just say, look, it's downtrend. This was FMOC back in February. Okay, the market did a downtrend, and it had a midweek reversal a couple of times here already, but it had a midweek reversal. The midweek reversal said the trend is going to go up, so people that's playing sells, it tricks them out, and the market makes tons of money for the people that's placing sells, and we got the chance to capitalize on the buy, so we're going with the trend. We're not going against it. I don't trade compared to like how a lot of people trade. I catch the trends 100% of the time. Market to me is 100% predictable. So what I mean, when we do midweek reversals, it lasts us to say, for example, midweek to midweek, it will go from Tuesday to Tuesday. Make sense? Because the midweek will happen Tuesday, the next one might pop up on a Wednesday. So it might be Tuesday to Wednesday next week. It might be Thursday to Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I mean by midweek to midweek. And you can also catch it Sunday. Like if you got in a late entry, you can catch that one from Sunday to midweek and then cancel all your profits, take all your profits, then go midweek to midweek and leave it all in. So the best way to get in on the setup is basically midweek to midweek. Make sense? So you don't have to deal with the Sunday.
Let me say, because on the one that you're doing is the US CAD, right? So Canadian currency. So I already answered, and I know it's going to be going down, right? So that answer is last week Thursday.
Last week Thursday? It was actually last week Tuesday where the midweek happened on USD CAD. And it's been dropping. You got in hella late. You probably got in. Let's see right here. I got you. This was. Hold on, I got you.
Actually, I got it Wednesday.
I got you right now. This happened on a Thursday. So this is Thursday to Friday. Okay. This was Sunday to Monday. This was Monday to Tuesday. The midweek happened on Tuesday. This right here is what's Monday? Tuesday through Wednesday was right here. This was Wednesday to Thursday. You got it over here because this is Friday.
Okay, so I
Thursday to Friday. This is Thursday to Friday.
I cut it right there.
You got it in between right here, bro.
Like Wednesday,
Thursday? Because it's Thursday to Friday, so Wednesday, Thursday, you got it right here in this square. Somewhere in this square.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
I got it right here. Well, I actually had a trade right here for like 0.40, and I got, what, $400 off this? No, like $200 off this one. I had it set in and then whatever.
Okay.
Got a little pullback. But yeah. This is where you got in. So you need to understand your days. I actually have it set up so you can figure that out. I'm going to post it in the chat. I'll do it now.
Okay.
I need to get this.
So now pretty much.
The other videos, they don't ask questions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they don't do that. That was the, I didn't do price action. Doing with some other market maker shit, so I haven't really used price action is nice.
Yeah.
But so like that's what like midweek reversals. I was thinking it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so it's just Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
So certain times, yeah, of the week. I mean, the market, like I said, like trend is law. Like if you know the trend, you know everything to do. But yeah, so what I want to start doing though, I want to start doing like I want to redo everything get some notes on it, take it, and then make some own, like, some other videos and shit. So
Yeah.
because I don't want to. Yeah, I'm down to like teach. I'm down to teach them, get some shit started.
Okay.
So you're going where tomorrow?
Magic Mountain.
Magic Mountain. Yeah. Is it where? How far is that from there?
Like an hour.
Magic Mountain. That's so. Is that? Have you been there before?
Yeah, yeah. I think I had like the year pass, but my friends have the year pass this year and they have a lot of like discounts and stuff. So we've been taking advantage of that. We went to Hurricane Harbor 2 weeks ago because there was a bring a friend for free day. So that was pretty awesome.
I don't know what just happened. All my windows just closed down. Yeah, we'll talk soon, and enjoy Magic Mountain.